Good morning, kindergarten. It's Miss Richmond here to show you how to draw Roy G Biv, the man who lives on the other side of the rainbow. So to start Roy G Biv, I'm going to draw a U shape. The U shape starts similar in the same way that we drew the kitty cats. So I want my U shape to start closer to the bottom of my paper so I have lots of room to draw Roy G Biv's hat. So I'm going to draw my U shape. And then I'm going to connect it with a straight line. Does anyone remember what type of shape this is? We talked a little bit about it last class. A circle cut in half is called a semicircle, yes. So after I've drawn a semicircle on my piece of paper, I'm going to give Roy G Biv a hat. His hat is a triangle. So with one curved line up and one curved line up to meet it, now I have a semicircle with a triangle on top. The next step is going to be drawing my beard. To draw Roy G Biv's beard, I'm going to draw two straight lines down and another straight line down from the other side of his face. Now I kind of like to make my beard a little pointy, but it's your drawing, so you can make your beard how you would like to. So there's Roy G Biv's beard. The next step is to draw his ears. His ears are two semicircles on the sides of his face. They kind of start near the top of his ear. They wrap around like a letter C. They go back down. Notice that when I draw, my pencil likes to start and stop in a similar place. It likes to start and stop on a line. So when I drew my letter C stopped drawing when it touched the other line. The next step to making Roy G Biv are to draw his eyes. We have two eyes. Our eyes are symmetrical. They're the same on both sides. So when I draw eyes, I want to start by making a dot on one side of my face on the left and a dot on the other side of my face on the right. Just two dots. Then I'm going to draw a curved line right above those two dots to make Roy G Biv's eyes. The next step is to draw his mustache. His mustache is a little funny shape. Let's zoom in so you can see. So my mustache does not really have a name. It's just a curved line that goes up and then back down. What it does on one side, it's going to do on the other side because our faces are the same on each side. They're symmetrical. So my curved line goes up and it comes back down. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, but this line is going to curve down and come up. It curves down and comes up. If you want, you could give them like some kind of curlicues on the end. Let's zoom back out so you can see his whole face. So Roy G Biv looks a little silly right now. He doesn't have a mouth or a nose. The next step is going to be to draw a mouth and a nose, so watch me. I'm going to make a curved line that goes from one side to the other. It curves down and goes back up right below his mustache. His nose is like a triangle. It's not connected on the bottom, so it's just a diagonal line that goes up and a diagonal line that goes back down. Alright, now that I have his mouth, his nose, his mustache, his eyes, I'm going to give him some eyebrows. I'm going to make his eyebrows the shape of a rectangle. Alrighty, and when you're all done, you can begin decorating Roy G Biv. I want to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines in my hat. Each one of these lines is going to be colored red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and this section is going to be purple. You can make your lines diagonal, you can make them go straight across. It's still your drawing, so I want you to decorate it how you want. When you're all done drawing, you can begin coloring. I'm going to stop filming right now and color at super speed so you can see what this will look like when it's all done.